All right, we have a game 93, the maneuver opening, folks. E5 is the best reply. You could take the pawn on, or you could do it this way. I don't like this at all, to be honest, especially here. If you take here, the bishop on b2 is already in a good... the bishop is so active early on. It's not like, it's not a good idea. So here, instead of e3, this is also like c4. The idea is when he plays d5, I could take, so maybe c6 here. Yeah, that's a good concept, but I could probably play d5. He plays c5, so you could see the bishop now. I mean, he might be looking at here. We could actually let him do this. We could let him do this, considering the bishop is so active. So queen d2 to stop queen e5, but I consider these positions to be very strong for white. He played here. The bishop is so strong on this diagonal, so by the time he castle, he might feel like it's not a good idea. So we could try to play this kind of stuff, h3. I mean, it's not really... I mean, I was considering g4, but it's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. We just play it here. Just play solid. So bishop e2. He played rook e8. We could castle. This is probably the best move, knight e5. So we could try here, go for this open file. This is one of the things here in this line that the rook could go to open file. Like, it is almost open file here because he still could attack the pawn at b7. So we still go for it. He's defending it. We still go for this pawn, doubling up maybe, a4, e5. e4, he could take rook takes b7, so may give us activity. So the drawback with e4 is blocking access to his strong bishop. Like comparing my bishop on e2 to his g6, probably e2 is better. Even though the c4 is blocking my, but at least I have a little bit, a little bit. I mean, he may just have like one square here, but I may have like this kind of diagonal. I'll look at this move. I mean, I can still take, and then it still works for me, I think. I mean, it may he's going to take here, but oh, there's this move. Yeah, I don't understand this move because we could probably take on f6. He takes. It should be enough for me. Yeah, I don't know what he's trying to do. I actually felt like he's going to take with a pawn, but let him do. I mean, if he takes here, maybe just f4. He doesn't have much to be, f4 would still block access to his bishop. So he's gonna take, I cannot move the bishop because there's a mate on g2. He played this move. I don't like this move at all. This is actually, you don't want to do this. f4, and so now he's down a piece, and he's not doing much. He wants to play this, of course, but so we could probably play here, h4, bishop here, queen g4, queen e2. Should be enough. So he's trying to play this. Actually, the queen is on d2. The queen is on d2, not e1. So it's still okay. Let's see. For some reason, I have my queen on d1. Yeah, if the queen is on d1, this queen f1, so that makes it easier. So where to put my maybe okay, so hold on a second. Maybe still bishop f1. Yeah, so I'm not wrong per se. So maybe I could play bishop f1 if he plays here queen e2 or queen d1. So that's actually a good idea, like bishop f1, because we are going after the queen. So he goes here, for example, and then we could probably play queen e2, which should be like, you trade, or we just it's probably here, so we could put the knight on. Should I put the knight on? you know, e2. Actually, if you play here, it could still take and then the knight. So maybe you have to play here. So if he goes back, which he might, we could probably play here, which is the knight on h1. This is gonna be funny. It's still, I'm still up a piece, by the way, so it's still a piece. And then the bishop is being, like, he might try to find a way to play bishop h5. Right now, it's not. It's not a good idea. So now here, bishop h3. He's trying to play here, but... So if he plays f5, that kind of, like, blocks his bishop even more. Oh, wow, he went for it. So I could play f3, and then the knight goes to, like... So this move is probably good enough. I mean, he might do this, though, so maybe he just play here first. So f3, bishop h5, that was, an idea by him. Yeah, I still believe this is still, like, winning. I mean, I don't think he could really do much. It's like... We just could maybe double up. Like here. I mean, this idea still looks like... Or here, yeah, that's... but I guess by the time he goes here, I have bishop takes. So I guess, yeah, this is actually a mistake by him. He had to stay on d7 to protect this pawn, right? So I think the king was, he could have went for this move first, but... So now it's just a matter of, like, here even. I mean, I could just make this move. There's also here. There's a lot of moves. Maybe just here. If he goes back, bishop e6. He's trying this. f5, that's a good idea. But, it's not a good idea when this rook takes. Yeah, just forgot that this is happening. Now he cannot take, right? h6. So maybe the knight goes to g3. I mean, knight goes to g3, rook g5. I mean, this has to be, like, resigned now, I guess. That's... resigning now seems to be key because rook g5 is happening right here. This rook takes, you cannot really stop. This move is, don't understand it. So he just play here. Mate is coming. Maybe knight g3 is just mate. Yeah, it's just mate. This sack is not good enough, even if you were to take on f3. So 87%, 75 by him, so that kind of tells me it's not good. Yeah, you could tell the computer doesn't like it. I don't like this kind of ideas. So if you play here, it's queen takes, and already here, from my perspective, I'm the one invented this opening. I can tell you this is not good, not a good idea for black to do. It's fun, but it's not good enough to gain an advantage from black, right? If anything, white is probably better here long term, considering that, the bishop pair would play, open lines is going to be good enough. So he played e4. It's good. It's a way to stop this move. Like, maybe you could play d5, but I play c4, c6. Yeah, this move is not probably good enough. The reason it's not good enough because he could probably take, and knight f6. He has a little bit of play here. So this move is not good because, this pawn at d5 is already looks like it's a good center by white. So e3, maybe e3. I don't need queen d2, I guess. So I think if I go here, this move, I could even play here. This, you could see, if anything, white is just better in this kind of positions, So I don't, which kind of makes sense that, e3, you don't want to play queen d2, right? So queen d2 is like a wasted move. So here, we played this kind of move, an h3. So I think here, instead of, this move is good enough. This is like a wasted move. So bishop e2, rook e8, castles, a1 h4, which I actually did consider this move. I felt like h6, but then this move comes along, something like here, and then takes, and then you might be opening up lines. The computer likes this kind of structure, because maybe like here, rook g1, with the help of the bishop, may open up lines like this. It's actually pretty interesting ideas. So I decided to castle, which is not the right way to go for it. So knight e5, bishop here. He had maybe this move, which is kind of interesting. So kind of like f6, maybe like put the knight. Then it would be good if here is just knight takes. So I mean, would have been different. So obviously queen d7 is not a good idea, and here not a good idea. And this move is not good yet. So I could take. I was looking at this move, and even after here, it just doesn't look like it's enough. You don't want to do this kind of stuff. Queen takes here, and bishop takes f6, takes e4, and the bishop and knight. It's much stronger than the rook, especially in a game like this, right? It's probably not f5, queen f4, weak pawns, weak squares around the king. You don't want to do this. He went this instead. I don't know this move, what exactly he's doing. If you go here and somehow g2 is happening soon enough, then it might be a move. But I take here, which the computer likes it. f4, the bishop is being blocked. h5. Yeah, so this is funny. I was talking about how that could get my queen to d1. I was confused here. But anyways, h4, bishop here. Before you take, you defend your queen. Queen e2. So if you take this way, the point is knight takes, right? And then there's nothing he's doing here, so it should be like a clear knight, extra knight. So he had to go back. Makes sense in a way, but he's losing. Then I played knight h1. So knight h1 is okay. Computer likes it. You might feel like the knight is stuck for like couple moves, but sooner or later it's gonna be back, right? It's +3 here, so you could tell this is winning. So I played here, he played here, bishop h3. It's a good diagonal for the bishop. Yeah, this move doesn't make sense at all because obviously it's blocking his bishop. So I felt like maybe king h6, right? So the computer is basically saying this is only move, but after f3, bishop here, queen b2. It's funny that this move is pretty good. If you were to take here, this queen f6. Actually, might take first. And then queen f6. Obviously, if you go here, bishop takes f5, you would check, you cannot defend. It just lost here. So it doesn't matter. And then f3 helps, knight f2 if I need it, but it's just opening up lines. So this move here, he played here, but obviously check, and then here, and then, I could play here. He takes, this is a wrong move. And then this is also the wrong move because I could take. And there was actually a mate here, mate by forced here. So the next move is actually, I don't know what he does. The computer is giving me, it's a forced mate. So queen g6, I could just probably do like queen. Yeah, this is actually the mate. So that's made this way. And there's also knight g3 if I want to be like fancy enough, like here, and still mate anyway with, rook takes. Good game. Obviously it's a good game here. Yeah, he resigned here. It's a good game, but this opening is still pretty good. I don't like this line by black. If you play this opening from the black's perspective, don't take on e3. If you want to take on e3, maybe do it later in different move order, but doing it early on does give white a good bishop pair early on, and you could see a little bit of that in this game. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you by the next one.